Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you'll enter to Google Classroom. Then you click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You can uninstall your app. You can wait a moment to install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.